Kisa man na, kisa igahataga na. From mama and papa.
This is from Mama and Papa.
Sabi ana.
Oh my God.
Okay, next. Next.
Meron na. Unsa man to? Unsa man to? What are those?
Hey, good job.
Race car.
Dayon. Ang saan yung kumuloan
Flash
eh?
top gun.
Ay, flash top gun.
Next. That is from Lolo and Lola.
This is from Lolo and Lola. Sada.
Dula pa ka na doy. Kana from
This is from
Inang.
Inang Jilin. Tita Jilin.
Tita Jilin.
Okay.
Dito na.
Ise?
Yes.
Ay, kasi.
Pa.
Wow! Oh my God! Oh my God! Let's go!
Mahirap ako kung palit ng medyas.
Anak, 8 ka colors!
Thank you din, Ninang.
Thank you, Tita Jilin!
Uli din sila din sa mga way.
This is from Tita Faith and from Sophia.
Wala naman yung sunod.
Ay,
Kanina naman yung kalo pa nasagan.
Okay. Sunod. From
from Tita Faith and Sophia. From here, 20. Good.
Erasers of erasers.
Eraser. Sharpener.
again, last. From Mame.
From Mommy Crinkling and Daddy Kim.
Sinilas. Yes. Kira na, mag-illustrate rin kuan. Bitchit. Okay.
That's all guys. Bye-bye. Hi guys. Ito ang pabrehuneng gift ni Tita Eden from Shopee. Let's see what's inside. Gift niya sa kong birthday guys. Wow!
What's that? Yun na mag-amba.
Wow! This is Avengers shirt. Teno. Thank you, Tita Eden. Gusto ra po ko mo thank you atong gahatang na kong cash. Kabalo na mo o kinisa mo. Special thanks po ni Maria kay. Yatawin ko niya cash pod o ni Tita Switzer from Dumaguete. Bye! See you again next time!